What's up, y'all? Thanks for tuning in. I'm gonna keep this video real brief, being that we will have a weekly rundown video coming up within the next 24 hours. I want to give y'all a quick market update, specifically talking about some of the price changes going on in the stock market and the metals market, more so being affected by the dollar index. Let's see here. I thought I already had this up for you guys, but let me pull up a quick copy of the Dixie. Yeah, I do have it up. Okay. All right, so bam, we have the dollar index. This is basically a chart looking at the dollar index, basically the price of the dollar over the last month. And as you guys see over the last month, the dollar has been going up in value with a huge spike over the last 2 or 3 days, specifically the last 2 or 3 business days, starting with the 29th of September. And as a result of that, we're seeing like a bit of a downfall in other markets. Generally speaking, when the dollar is high, when the dollar is high, people will hold their money in cash, treasury bills, things like that, and take the interest on those treasury bills or CDs or wherever the bank is giving out, instead of investing it in something like stocks or purchasing like gold to store their money. Let's see here. As like I said, as a result, the S&P is down about almost 5% over the last month. Over the past few days, it's been kind of moving sideways, but it is down over the last month, almost directly as a result of the dollar index going up. Also, the Fed has not only halted interest rates at a high rate as of right now, but they are also still selling and not purchasing assets. So being that they're selling assets, which would include stocks and things of that nature, I do expect stocks and things of that nature to go down over the coming months, up to a year, as the Treasury begins to sell off or liquidate those assets. Outside of the stock market kind of going down as a result of the Dixie and what's going on with the Federal Reserve, we're also seeing metals go down. Same as for gold, silver. If you look at platinum, palladium, pretty much everything is down. Generally speaking, over the past few months, really all this year, you guys have been hearing me talking about how platinum has been the best metal to purchase because the cost to mine metals is almost higher than the price that they're actually selling platinum at right now. So for that reason, over the year, platinum has been my number one buy. But with the recent price drops of silver, silver is back within buying range. My buying range for most things, one of the things that I look at is several factors. One of the things that I look at is the 5-year high and low, and I try to find the midpoint of that price and get things below that point, kind of looking at it as if I'm getting a discount on it based off of the highs. Looking at the 5-year high and lows for silver, I know just based off my memory, it went from about $15 to about $30. With that $15 spread, the halfway point would be $7.50. If I add $7.50 to $15, it gives me $22.50. So I begin to buy under that range. Silver is now at $21.34. It was above $23 last week. So now it's definitely in my range, and it's still dropping by a whole lot. Let me see if I can go to the 1-week chart. Like I said, if you look at all the charts on it right now, you just see it dropping. So I'm probably going to be making a lot of purchases. You guys are probably going to see me doing a lot of videos when it comes to silver purchases. I did some over the past few weeks. It was something I wanted to show you guys. The Silver Institute. I hope I remember this. I want to show you guys. If I don't remember to show you guys in this video, make sure you look it up. But I'm going to save it for the end of the video. The Silver Institute said at the beginning of this year that they believe that the price of silver would go down to $18 by the end of this year. So me personally, as a long-term stacker, I'm hoping that happens so I can accumulate a lot more. I know for you new stackers, that may feel like a bit of a disappointment when you see the price drop, but I really love it. Like I said, I'm gonna get to it later for you guys. I want to show y'all some of the deals that I've been seeing in the markets. AppMex currently has a deal on these 10-ounce Casport silver bars. They're 26. They're $236 a piece, as you guys see on the screen. Spot price right now is currently about $21.50, so they're about maybe $2 over spot per ounce, and that's technically, I guess, a good deal. If you're looking at 10-ounce bars, JM Bullion has I guess a better deal in Britannias, which I would probably go for this deal right here. I would rather get 10 of these instead of 10 of instead of one of the big bars, because you can get a better premium when you're selling more than likely on these Britannias. So that's another good deal on JM Bullion right now. I think SD Bullion has the cheapest price that I've seen on American Eagles right now, 1939. But I want to check Monetary Metals, because Monetary Metals has the best deal I think I've seen on gold and ounces in general right now. If you're looking for gold, 1908 for these maple 2023 maple leaves. Let me see what they're doing for their 1 ounce American Eagles. I should have went to random year. So Monumental Metals has the best price on American Eagles that I'm seeing right now too. Let me go back to the random year for those maple leaves, because I think I clicked on 2023. Let me see if the random year is cheap. 2023 was 1908. The random is 1907. So yeah, this is the cheapest deal that I've seen as of right now on gold ounces. If you guys are into that, make sure you check out Monumental Metals. They usually have a bunch of good prices. But let me see if I can find this Silver Institute article about them believing that silver would go $18. Institute. World Survey by the Silver Institute. Y'all bear with me. This is an article, but I looked at it earlier, so I think I can get through this pretty quickly and find the spot that I was looking for, as long as my internet does what I need it for it to do. Bang, bang, bang. If you're watching the screen, y'all, I'm sorry, but I'm going to get to this page for y'all. If I don't find it, y'all, it's definitely in here. So make sure y'all. Oh, here we go, right here. Based on the above, Metal Focus forecast sees the silver price move broadly sideways over the next few months before suffering liquidations in the second half of the year. By Q4, we expect the price will trade in the low $18. With the full average, this will result in a full year average of $21.31, 2% lower year to year. All right. So y'all, I think that's worth, if you guys stay to this point in the video, that's worth a like and subscribe itself. The Silver Institute basically believes that silver is going to $18. So we may get some prices that are even better. But like I said, just based off one of the things that I use when I'm deciding to make a purchase, that's kind of already triggered me to begin making purchases. If it goes to $18 or goes below this range, I will begin purchasing more. I'm in the slight purchasing range now. I won't begin purchasing heavy probably until it goes maybe until the $20 range. And if it goes below $20, I'll probably begin putting extra funds that I normally want to spend towards metals on that for the time being, or at least making purchases in the paper market. Don't necessarily dive into the paper market range myself, but if it goes below $20, I may grab some of that just to make some quick trades for once it goes up, or at least hold to once it goes back up above $20, if that's to happen. And I'll do more videos on that if you guys want to see if that's something that you guys are interested in, how to do. And I definitely will be putting out those videos if that situation actually occurs. So make sure you guys subscribe to the channel. Like I said in the beginning of the video, me and Cursive Crypto, we will be doing the weekly rundown later today. Hopefully we'll have the video out today or either sometime tomorrow, more than likely today though. But if you guys have any questions, if you guys put that down below. If you're looking for deals and metals, make sure you, of course, rewind the video. Also check out my previous 2 videos pertaining to metals and some of the purchases that I've recently found, some of the deals that I've recently found. That's really all that I can think of right now. Hopefully we can get some better deals. If you guys find something, make sure you comment like later on. Make sure you still comment in this video so I can come check it out, see if I can do a new video on it. Hopefully I can hear from y'all. I meant to do this video going live. I'll probably do another live at another time on the weekend or something so I can interact with y'all and have a good conversation about these metals, about these markets, stocks, whatever you guys want to talk about. I can bring Cursive Crypto on if you guys want to talk about crypto. But I don't want to drag this on too far.